Okay, let's say you got a 2008 Chevrolet Impala. You need to take the door panel off for whatever reason. You need to change the door speaker, door handle, or the door panel itself, or the window regulator. I'm going to show you how to do it. This requires 4 bolts to be removed. I'll show it to you right now. First, remove this. This is a very easy clip-on. Second, you got a little cover here that has to be removed. All right, so I took the screwdriver and I just popped it out. So this is how it looks when you take it out. Get your star tool set out. That's a star bolt. Second bolt position is inside this red reflector. Just come over here on the side and pop it out. There's your star bolt right inside there. Actually, it's not a star bolt, it's a number 7. Sorry about that. Lastly, you got to come in here and take off this cover. Just get your screwdriver, pull it out. It's real easy to pull out. And you got the two star bolts. After you remove those 2 star bolts, you're going to come around with your screwdriver and just come around the edge of the door panel and just go out. This came out pretty easy. Now you just go up. And there you have it. You have access to everything now. Hope this helps.